Hey, if you wonder how to charge your DualSense controller on the PS5 Slim, let me show you. So first of all, you can find right here the USB-C input. And right here we have to basically input this cable. So that's the cable with the USB-C input. That's how it looks. Let me just catch focus on it. There we go. And this second end of the cable you have to basically plug into your PS5 Slim. On the front, next to the power button, you can find the same input like right here. So we have to plug this cable to your PS5 Slim, to your controller, and then when you click on this PlayStation button, you can find right here this bar. And when you go to the right side, you can find this information that your controller is actually charging. When you have 3 lines right here, it means that it's fully charged, like in my case. So that's basically it right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.